Hello friends, welcome to Sthitpragya Life. I am your friend Sandeep Srivastav, and today, before we start our session, let us do a quick recap of what we have discussed in our last session. So as you can see on your screen, the first thing is we discussed about depression, and in the second, we have also discussed about the process of transformation through depression. The third, how depression in actual sense is the foundation of any revolution when handled with proper spiritual practice. So when we say when handled with proper spiritual practice, this particular statement triggers to a very important question: what is spirituality or being spiritual is all about? So moving on, spirituality is all about going against yourself. It is all about fighting against your falsehood, your ego, your negative thoughts and emotions, your addictions, your mental and physical attachments, and of course, choosing the right association. Now let us understand what is spirituality straight from the Vedas. So spirituality is just about winning over self. There are no external sources involved for us to prove that we are spiritual. Not at all. We all know our drawbacks. We all know how terrible, weak we are emotionally, and we also know how sky high our ego and attitudes are. Now let us understand what Krishna explains about the basic fundamentals of being spiritual. So Krishna says, one who is prepared, ready to go against self, one who is thoroughly prepared to wage a war against self, he or she is the one who is a spiritualist in actual terms. Fighting with all our falsehood, negativity, ego, attitude, addictions, emotional fluctuations, physical and mental attachments. Then he also says, if you want to master yourself, if you want to win over yourself, you just have to become Krishna conscious and seek his help in going against all your odds. This is all Krishna wants from us. Now let us understand what is being Sthitpragya. Being Sthitpragya is all about to let every emotion pass by your consciousness with ease. Being Sthitpragya is the art of not getting entangled with either happy or sad affairs of life. It is just about being neutral in every aspect of life. Oh yes, let's do it for Krishna. So when Krishna becomes a prime reason for you to win over yourself, you become his responsibility. You will break, you will suffer, you will go mad in fighting against your falsehood. But then Krishna finally gives himself to you. It is his promise. And when Krishna gives himself to you, you reach the state of self-realization. You remember we discussed about self-realization? And when you reach the state of self-realization, you become Sthitpragya. That means the ultimate life goal of every human being. Now, I have a quick questionnaire for all of you. Number 1, are you spiritual? Number 2, are you not able to win over your odds of personal and professional lives? Number 3, are you depressed about anything in your life? Number 4, have you ever practiced being Sthitpragya? So this brings to the end of our session. You can answer these 4 questions. You can write it down on my email ID, which is sthitpragya.sandeep@gmail.com. If you need any help, any support in terms of mental or psychic counseling, you can definitely reach me on my contact number, which is 9030731306. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll connect you back again on Saturday. Till then, I wish you a great week ahead. Bye-bye.